In this video, let us do a little sound test of a couple older axes. And let's see if you guys can figure out which one is the real deal and which one is not so good. So, you know, highly unscientific. Let's just pick this guy first. Balance it on the stick, get it a little hammer, and listen. And one more time. Oh, that was a good one. Now let's take this guy. Again, kind of balance it the same way, hear it in the same areas. And this one. So, I don't know if you could hear it, but to me, to my ear anyway, this axe, the one that I tried first, gave a pretty decent sound. And it happens to be True Temper Cali Perfect, probably made in, I don't know, I would imagine 50s, 60s at the most, at the latest. American made. This fella, which to my ear gave the worst sound, is actually, you know, at first I thought it was a nice American axe. You know, the lines are actually pretty good. Yeah, whatever. But when I cleaned it up, it came out to be a Chinese axe. And the sound it gave to me, it sounded the dullest sound, and it was the shortest sound. Now this fella, which I tried the last, which to my ear again gave the best sound, the best pitch, the longest sounding, the best resonating sound. Well, this little guy is Plumb. I believe it's about 4.6 pounds or something like that. So this fella, I don't know, I would imagine was made probably between 40s anyway, all the way up to possibly 60s. So you can kind of, again, sometimes judge the quality of the axe just by the sound of it.